Well, let's see what we can put together for a display in the cozy corner. I pulled out a couple things I've already had for a long time, and I really don't have anything new in here. I have my little cute little Queen of Hearts. Doesn't she look precious? This was a gift from one of my friends, so this was something I didn't pay for. This is to my Alice in Wonderland collection, and I've had it for a long time. I was looking through some of my boxes, and I found these gold, pink, and red hearts that I got at Dollar Tree probably last year, and some hearts also. I think we'll try to use them. And of course, I have my black and white check trees. I have 2 of them, and my balls that I use in a lot of displays that I've had for a couple of years also. So let's see what kind of display we can put together. May have to go looking for a few more things, but at least we got to start. Well, this is the start of our little centerpiece here, and it's all going to be about the Queen of Hearts and make her the star of this post. And let's see what we can do with this. I think it's looking pretty good. I stuck those little picks inside my little balls, and we're staying with the theme of the Queen of Hearts. And we have our little hearts back up here in the flower arrangement, and we're staying pretty close to the theme. What do you think? We're not done yet. Let's see what else we can do. Still not quite happy how this is starting out. I think we're going to have to take it apart and see if we can change it up a little. I think I may even have to go look for some more pieces. It looks a little less regal than what I would like. Well, good morning, the Queen of Hearts. How are you today?
I am fine. I'm so glad you're here to join us for Alice's wonderful trip back home. We love having Alice here in Wonderland. We have missed her so. It's been a year since we've seen her, and I can't wait to play a round of croquet with my awesome friend Alice. She is the sweetest thing, and we always have so much fun playing croquet. Oh yeah. Alice will be here any time. I can't wait for her. It's been so exciting knowing she's coming back for April.
Yes, I heard Alice is so excited about her trip back to Wonderland. She enjoys it as much as you enjoy her. She enjoys being with all of you. Well, I'm going to sit down and drink a cup of tea while we're waiting for Alice to return.
Hi, Alice. I'm so happy to see you here. It's been a year since I've seen you, and it's always fun having my favorite little Alice back. I can't wait to do a round of croquet with you. It's been a long time, and I've missed you so.
Oh, Queen, I'll be here all month. I can't wait to be doing wonderful things with you too. I've missed playing croquet with my awesome Queen. Oh my, I have missed you so much. My Queen of Hearts, I've always enjoyed my trips to Wonderland.
Well, we always enjoy you here too, Alice. It means so much to us to have you back and spending some wonderful time with us. I'm so glad you'll be here all month. We have so many things to do. I can't wait to share with you. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be a wonderful time. And thank you so much for coming back and joining us. I can't wait to see what wonderful things we can do. Let's think about maybe having some tea now, maybe.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I am thirsty, and I'm getting a little hungry.
Well, I'm sure we can find something for you to eat and drink, my sweet Alice. And I'm so glad that my little white rabbit made it back on time. Was getting to think he might be a little late, and I wouldn't want anything to happen to his little head if that happened. Oh, Queen, Queen, please, please, I'm on time, I'm on time. Oh, yeah, you are on time, 'cause you know what will happen if you're not. Well, let them be alone and have a good afternoon visit. Let's hope the rabbit stopped shaking. He looks a little nervous. For whatever reason, Alice never seems to be afraid of the Queen. Maybe that's why the Queen loves her so much, because she knows Alice isn't afraid of her. Well, I hoped you enjoyed our little vignette we put together today in the cozy corner, as you can see. We got it all put together, and I'm still behind on a few other projects we'll try to get up this week. But I need to just stay on point for the rest of the month. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your kindness and support. Please check out the playlist for all the vignettes in the cozy corner, and please give everyone some love and support that showed up and joined in. Hope you enjoyed what we shared today.